Are your finances causing you sleepless nights? You're not alone. Financial stress affects millions, but what if there was a way to take control and find peace of mind? Imagine living without constant worry about bills, debt, or unexpected expenses. Sounds like a dream, right? The truth is, staying financially stress-free isn't about earning more. It's about managing better. In this video, we'll explore simple yet powerful strategies to help you master your money and live a stress-free financial life. Ready to change your story? Let's begin. Number 1. Start with a solid plan. Do you know where your money is going each month? A financial plan is like a roadmap. It helps you navigate toward your goals while avoiding unnecessary detours. Start by listing your income, expenses, and financial objectives. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation or paying off debt, break it into manageable steps. Calculate your savings potential by subtracting your monthly expenses from your income. If the numbers don't align, adjust your spending or goals to create a realistic plan. A clear budget doesn't just keep you organized, it empowers you to make informed choices about where every dollar goes. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but sticking to your plan will guide you toward financial peace. With discipline and focus, your financial goals will no longer feel out of reach. Number 2. Communicate about money openly. Are money conversations uncomfortable? They don't have to be. Open communication is vital, especially if you share financial responsibilities with a partner, spouse, or family member. Set regular check-ins to review your financial progress, celebrate wins, and address challenges. Did one of you reduce unnecessary spending this month? Celebrate it. Is there a concern about overspending? Talk it out calmly before it grows into a larger issue. These discussions foster teamwork, build trust, and prevent financial stress from straining relationships. Even if you manage your finances solo, reflecting on your progress can keep you accountable. Money doesn't have to be a taboo topic. Turning it into a shared goal ensures you're not tackling financial stress alone, but building a stronger future together. Number 3. Prepare for the unexpected. Life loves surprises, but some of them, like car repairs or medical bills, aren't pleasant. That's why having an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Think of it as your financial safety net. Start small if saving 3 to 6 months of expenses feels overwhelming. Consistency matters more than speed. Automatically transfer a fixed amount into a separate savings account every month. This cushion won't just cover unexpected costs. It'll save you from dipping into credit or other funds when life throws a curveball. Peace of mind comes from knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Remember, an emergency fund isn't for vacations or gadgets. It's your lifeline for true emergencies. The next time the unexpected happens, you'll face it with confidence, not panic. Number 4. Tackle debt with a strategy. Is debt keeping you up at night? You're not alone, but there's hope. Start by listing all your debts, credit cards, loans, or anything else, along with their interest rates and minimum payments. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first while making minimum payments on the rest. This strategy, often called the debt avalanche, saves you money on interest. Alternatively, the debt snowball method prioritizes small debts first, building motivation as you clear them. If juggling multiple payments feels overwhelming, consider debt consolidation to simplify your finances. This might mean combining debts into a single loan or transferring credit card balances to one with a lower rate. Every small step brings you closer to financial freedom. Remember, tackling debt isn't just about numbers. It's about regaining control over your life. Number 5. Automate payments and savings. Do you sometimes forget to pay bills or save money? Automation is your secret weapon. Set up automatic bill payments to ensure you never miss a due date or rack up late fees. Apply the same principle to your savings. Treat saving like a monthly bill by automating transfers to your savings account as soon as your paycheck hits. This method ensures you save consistently without even thinking about it. Tools like financial apps or your bank's automation features make the process simple. While automation saves time and reduces stress, it's still crucial to monitor your accounts to avoid overdrafts. Saving first and spending second is the golden rule of financial success. By automating your finances, you're taking one giant step toward achieving a stress-free money mindset. Number 6. Plan for tomorrow, today. How often do you postpone planning for the future? The longer you wait, the harder it gets. Start now by identifying long-term goals like retirement, buying a home, or saving for your child's education. Even small contributions today can grow into substantial amounts over time thanks to compound interest. For example, putting aside a small percentage of your income for retirement can accumulate significantly over the years. Planning ahead also includes building your credit score, which plays a crucial role in major financial decisions like securing loans. The sooner you take charge of your future, the more options you'll have later. Don't let procrastination steal your financial security. Start planning today, and your future self will thank you. Number 7. Seek help when needed. Do you feel overwhelmed by financial decisions? You don't have to face them alone. A trusted financial advisor or planner can provide expert guidance tailored to your needs. They'll help you create a budget, set achievable goals, and navigate complex decisions like investments or debt consolidation. Seeking advice isn't a sign of weakness, it's a step toward empowerment. Professionals can also introduce you to financial tools and strategies you might not have considered. If hiring an advisor isn't an option, explore free resources online or attend financial workshops in your community. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. With the right guidance, you'll feel more confident managing your money and achieving your goals. Financial peace of mind starts with knowing you're supported. Number 8. Embrace financial tools and technology. Are you using all the resources available to manage your money? Technology offers countless tools to simplify your finances. Budgeting apps can track your spending in real time, while savings trackers can help you monitor progress toward your goals. Many banks also provide features like automatic savings transfers or spending categorization. These tools don't just save time, they offer insights into your financial habits, helping you make better decisions. For example, an app might highlight areas where you're overspending or show trends in your expenses over months. Leveraging these tools takes the guesswork out of managing money, giving you more control with less effort. Staying financially stress-free is easier when you use technology to your advantage. Explore options and choose the tools that fit your lifestyle. Number 9. Take action and stay consistent. What's holding you back from financial freedom? Often, it's not knowledge, but inaction. The key to financial success lies in starting today and staying consistent. Even small steps, like tracking expenses, saving a fixed amount, or paying off a little extra debt, add up over time. Set reminders to review your budget monthly, celebrate milestones, and adjust your plan as needed. Consistency builds habits, and habits create lasting change. Don't wait for the perfect moment to act. It doesn't exist. Every day is an opportunity to move closer to your financial goals. Take control now, and over time, you'll see the results of your efforts. Staying consistent isn't just about money. It's about building a stress-free and fulfilling life for yourself and your loved ones. Money stress is common, but it doesn't have to control your life. By implementing these strategies, creating a plan, building an emergency fund, automating payments, tackling debt, and seeking guidance, you can take charge of your finances and find peace of mind. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take control of your finances, stay stress-free, and keep working toward the life you deserve.